Here's how I do asparagus. They say you can just bust it off. It snaps where the wood is at. They call it the wood. That snapped too far though.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Let's try that again with the big one. Snaps where the wood's at. Or where your finger's at. Right there. No. Right. So that's how you can tell. If you go lower, who knows?
Yeah.
I'm cutting them.
Yeah. It looks like you're losing too much otherwise.
Yeah. All right. I'm going to do it like that.
Yeah.
I've already washed them a little bit. Now I'm just going to cut the ends out. The white part.
Yeah.
Like that.
Perfect.
All right. Attaboy. And a big top.
Yep.
What about
My
there?
hero. Ooh.
Cutting through bamboo.
Yeah. You got this. All right, cool.
All right, that's how I start. I'll be right back.
That's our prep.
All right, so I'm going to be cooking these in a NuWave. I don't know if you guys have ever tried it.
It'll be different. So we're starting with some olive oil here.
Olive oil.
I guess he's lining the bowl. Oh. All right.
Whatever you like for seasoning.
Yeah.
I'm going to do a little, I mean, we're missing some salt. I'm going to do some black pepper.
Do you want red salt or
Yeah.
regular?
Do whatever you want. I like lots of pepper. And lots of pepper? I can't tell. I don't have my glasses on.
Oh yes, that is a lot of pepper, dear.
Right on. That's how we like it.
Good job.
Do a little bit of
Garlic powder.
garlic powder.
Good stuff.
Oh, it smells like garlic.
Then it gives you room to work with the salt, but you still get some garlic.
And some Italian seasoning.
All right.
All right.
It's our usual suspects there.
Give me a spoon and do a little bit of stirring. Look at that. Maybe get some salt too. We'll be right back. All right. We forgot to get the salt. We got some kosher here. I need a little bit of salt in there. It should be good. All right.
Cool.
Can't see anyway. How'd I do? All right. Mix it all up. Hopefully I got enough olive oil in there. If not, I don't know, man. We gotta put all these guys in there and get them all somehow
Tossed in there.
Maybe I gotta cut them in half.
No, I think they'll be okay. Like that, you're just supposed to like roll them around in it. Toss them around.
All right, we'll be right back.
Yeah.
All right, I fixed my problem. I can now stir my stuff in there. So let's see, how much should we put in there? Everything? Stir it around? Why not? Now at least it all fits and it might all get coated. Woohoo!
Yep. So you toss it around.
Toss it around, get all that yummy goodness all over everything. Look at that. Lots of olive oil, lots of pepper, some garlic powder. That's good. Lovely. Look at how shiny that is. I think everything's getting pretty well coated now.
Yep.
It was too long before. I tell you, it was too long. Look at that. That's for 3 of us. We're going to divide that by 3.
Yeah, we're going to be munching on some veggies.
What that means.
Yeah,
Peewee.
get it
Look at that. Coated. Look at that. Over and over. Whoa. So nice. All right. Now we're going to go to the next step. We'll be right back.
Okay. NuWave.
All right, here we go. We're going to put it on the 4-inch level. I guess that's what this means. 4 inches from the bottom. Yep. We're going to put all that yummy stuff in there. I think I need something to grab it with instead of mixing it all up with my fingers. We just cut them in half. It's a lot easier. Man, we're gonna have to put a lot in there for sure to get them all in there. Woohoo!
All right.
So yeah, we'll be back in a second. Alright, let's see. We could probably fit a couple more in there. Gonna have to make it tight. Need room for the lid. Alright, can we squeeze one in there somewhere? Right there.
Yeah, there we go.
Alright. Oh, we're gonna get them. Let's do another one in there somewhere. Where can we put
Side
this one? Right here.
steppers.
Get in there. Arr.
Oh, you get in there.
Oh, I gotta fit everything else over here. Here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
He likes to roll.
I don't know, man. We might have to be doing some stacking or something, man, or doing the double batch. Holy moly. We're going to have this thing full of asparagus, I tell you guys. It's going to be so full.
Should make an asparagus omelet tomorrow. Save some of it for leftovers.
Yeah, I don't think we're getting it all in one trip here.
Nah,
That's a
for sure.
bummer. Unless I double stack. I just might do that.
Maybe you should.
I think I will. I'm not afraid. Are you afraid?
Nah, let's do this.
Right.
Make log cabin.
Yeah, let's do it like that. Put some over there.
Yeah. Just kind of askew it.
Yeah, log cabin.
Yeah.
It's all going to be steamy.
Yeah.
Oh.
See?
So you don't have to do it like I do it.
Nah.
Or I can tell you if this works when I'm done. What do you think?
There is that.
Oh, look at all that yummy stuff down in there. Yeah, I think this is crazy. But I think it's going to work. Oh,
I think it's a lot.
we're going to have some asparagus tonight.
Oh, yeah, we are.
Woohoo! All right, log cabin.
Yep.
All right, we'll be right back. Got to make sure nobody's sticking over the edge there. All right, here we go. Coming in.
Okay.
This only has one high setting, and the high setting is 350 degrees, and we don't mess with anything else. We just go for the timer.
Yep, so we do cook time.
Cook time.
And then
We
your
do,
desired
I'm
number.
thinking it's going to be 16 minutes.
All right.
We'll keep an eye on it, but we're going to go 16 since it's raw. Of course it's raw. Here we go. Start.
And start. Okay.
We'll be back.
See.
Folks, let's see what we got here. Ready?
Yeah.
Asparagus in the NuWave oven.
How does it look?
Steamy.
Oh, steamy.
I'll put this thing down so the steam doesn't. Alright. So there we are. So we did 16 minutes, right?
Yes.
They don't look too shriveled up. They look like they got off the barbecue.
I know, they look so perfect. Let's try
I
one.
want to try one, but I'm afraid to burn myself up.
Don't burn yourself. Hot?
Huh? Very tasty.
Yeah?
Mhm.
Very tasty.
Very tasty.
Right on. Okay, so would you do it again?
Mhm.
Same amount of time?
Yeah.
Right on. We figured it out. 16 minutes in our NuWave. Looks
Tastes
so good.
Like barbecue.
Oh, yeah. All right. Well, thanks so much for watching.
And try that if you got a NuWave.
Yep.
Right? Get you later. Don't forget to wash your hands.